Hello people, this is Self-Tuts and we are continuing our series on Docker for beginners, and in this video we'll learn that how we can stop any running Docker container. So in the previous video we have seen that how we can view any running or non-running containers. Let's understand how we can stop a running container. There may be some situation where you need to stop a container, so that's why this command is needed. So for stopping a container you can use the command docker stop and then the container ID. Let's see how we can fetch this container ID and then how we can use this command. For this, let's go to our terminal and there we will be seeing like which Docker container is running. So for that we'll run docker ps. So we have already seen that docker ps command shows you the container which are in running state, and docker ps-a shows the containers which are in both running and non-running state. So here if we see, using the docker ps command, we can see that we have a container created through MySQL image, and the name of that container is some MySQL, and the container ID is something this is the hash, and it was created 2 hours ago. So let's stop this container and again check the status of docker ps. So we'll see docker stop, and as we know from the command that we need the container ID. So container ID is the unique ID given to every container that is created. So let's copy it and then let's paste it to enter, and what it will do, it will basically take some time to stop the container and print out the existing container ID. Now let's again do docker ps, and what you will see that now there is no container which is in running state. So previously when we have written the command docker ps, there was this MySQL container and now there is no container. Now let's see the containers which are in non-running state. So docker ps-a, and now you can see that the container which was created using the MySQL image is present here, and if you see the container ID, so it is matching 80, and in the last it is 0c. So if you see 80, the container which we have stopped, 80 and 0c. So this is the container ID which was stopped. Using this command of docker stop, you can basically stop a running container. Hope you like this video. Hope you like my channel. Please share these videos with other people and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.